What's in the box? Let's check it out. User manual, remote control, screw and wrench, AC power adapter, HEPA air filter, wind ring, main body, 2 regular strut and 1 power strut. Aerosense product features: 2 operation mode, remote control and touch screen. 4 intelligent air purification mode: auto mode, strong mode, sleep mode and natural mode. Oscillating purification, both horizontal and vertical adjustable, 30, 60, 90, 120 degrees. Intelligent display, built-in PM 2.5 sensors. Comprehensive purification, HEPA filtration. Invisible sun blade and DC motor. Safe and easier to clean. Personalist night light. Benefits of using Aerosense air purifiers: intelligent air purification, for intelligent mode, auto, strong, sleep and natural. Oscillating purification, increase its coverage range with fan oscillation. Oscillation angles 30, 60, 90, 120 degree. Built-in PM 2.5 sensors. Measure air quality in real time, monitoring air quality and adjusting the filtration system as needed. Comprehensive purification. HEPA filtration can effectively capture 99.95% airborne particles. DC motor, invisible fan blade. Powerful, safer and easier to clean. Personalist night light. Step 1. Install the strut. Step 2. Install wind rings. Step 3. Install the air filter. Step 4. Connect to the power supply. All set. Air purifier bladeless fan is ready.
Find what you need to make your house a home. From morning's dawn to the stars bright glow. You can get best home appliances, from the bedroom to living room. From living room to our kitchen, what you need you can find from